Hi, I am Jagadiban from EC department.
Hi, this is Girish from EC department.
Hi, this
Myself,
is
Gokul
Abhishek from
Saran
EC
from EC
department.
department.
Hi, my name is P. Vikas from EC department.
Hi, I am Vivekan from Medical Electronics Department.
Hi, I am Ilanjanan, Medical Electronics Department.
Hi, I'm Abhishek from EC department.
Hi, I am Monica Oscar from EC department.
Hello everyone. We are going to do our brainstorming. Our topic is on unemployment struggles faced by youngsters. Okay. We all have that question. Why still many youngsters are unemployed? And what are the measures they should take to get placed in companies? I would like to start this conversation by sharing my thoughts economically. The repo rate should be decreased by the government so that if the repo rate is decreased by the banks, the interest of the loan should be automatically will decrease so that many companies can get their loans at less interest and they can start new companies and the consumers to get the loans at less percentage to get products. If the number of the products buying increases, automatically the demand of the product increase. If the demand increase, the production will also increase. If the production increases, the recruitment will increase so that many of them get placed and the unemployment percentage will get decreased.
In
Yeah,
point of
someone.
society, many of them are asking a person that why you have not uh, getting a job and keep on insisting them that why can't you do any courses anything some so overcome that uh, the unemployment can research on themselves by finding the interest what's the interest in them, and they can go through in and go on throughout that field, and if they reach a good place they can continue it so that the unemployment will be decreased.
After college, many of us think that we must place in a campus. If not, they are spending 2 to 3 years to get a job. So that we need to be technically strong and we have some basic kind of knowledge. And one of the main reason is many of them expecting the high salary from starting itself. How can we expect such a high salary from starting itself? Mm, for that, you have to place in. If you got a job, we have to work for 2 3 years. You have to gain some experience, and then we can place in MNC, and then we can expect high salaries. Without searching a job, we can also start a company um, by with the help of the government, so that we can make products and we can offer jobs to many of them. Can anyone continue?
As he said, we also need to develop our skills, and we need to know how to wisely use internet to the learn new things, and we need to know the offers offered by the companies. Without having skills and knowledge, many of the blaming the course they have studied, especially engineering. First, we need to know what the current things going to on and the vacancy available in current situation, so that we get passed, placed.
Okay. Vivekananda said that the struggles faced by youngsters without gaining skills and knowledge. I would like to continue someone the problems faced by youngsters or due to unemployment.
During
Yes,
this COVID,
the major problems of unemployment is the number of people, so more of the vacancies to be strong to survive, and also many youngsters depressed and stressed on unemployment. So, so they choose the wrong ways of to job, not up to live what they have studied for money.
during this COVID pandemic time, the economic is decreased and the unemployment has been increased. We can come over this by working temporarily on Swiggy and Zomato, etc. We can learn and update ourselves in this time. We can get rid
Yeah,
of chance.
yeah. As Vikas said, he has said that how this COVID situation affected many youngsters and some knowledge people. Many of them has lost their jobs. Yeah, that's true. Many of them facing this issue currently, and they get so depressed. I would like to someone to continue this topic.
Yeah, Jagadiban. Now we are in pandemic. Even before the pandemic, we had unemployment, but they were the people who are with the improper knowledge. They are unemployment. But during the pandemic, even the properly knowledge people also employed. You can share your knowledge to others by teaching students like tuitions in lockdown. Many are sharing their ideas through YouTube. Also by sharing this kind of knowledge they can earn money, and even unemployment will not be a problem, and even unemployed peoples can gain knowledge in my point. Can anyone continue?
Yes, all of you said some points about the youth employment. On my side, he spoke lot about what problem in our country to the unemployment and how it can be managed or overcome by major things. If we have to find a solution for school days to the society is a major problem for us. First school days they just teach and how to be a good labor and what is the labor skills that we have to teach, and a good leader, and we learn some leadership skills. Then only when they grow up they comes with the new ideas for starting company. They know some knowledges, so students should be taught that expect being a labor. They have to teach about money management in their studies. It's a major thing. If they have invested money in something, they should know how to gain a profit and it and they should not major informations are available in the social medias for free, like in Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, many to connect companies between the students. So it should be taught schools or in colleges the major problem. The startup should be solution for it. Mainly the important things are money management and finding a good solution for it. If these things should be solved, when the unemployment will be solved in the society. That's all.
Yeah, Monica. So you said that what are the things to overcome to get placed by using the LinkedIn and social medias, knowing the things happened in companies to get placed. Yeah, that's good point. I would like to continue someone. Yeah, Girish, you can continue.
Yeah, I have something to say about the last idea which Monica Vasagar spoke. Yeah, that's everyone is entering into college. In college, only everyone should decide that what we have to study and what we have strong in it. If they are saying that because of my parents said that we have scope in engineering. If we take engineering, we can make money through it. It won't be working at all, because every student should learn on their interest. So if they make a choose their profession by their interest, they can easily make money over through it. For example, if someone has talent in music, they can go within it, so that they can achieve something in that field. Or someone have, even if we studies engineering, if someone has interest in teaching, so they can do a B.Ed and join do as a professor, so that they can reach some satisfaction level on their profession. That's what my point.
Yeah, yeah, Grace. You said that interest, they have to choose engineering. You were saying that who have interest in their field, they have to take the respective field and study to achieve it. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Someone can continue.
If you're not interested in engineering, you can go with your passion, and that point itself, we can overcome unemployment. If you're interested in photography, then go for it. And if you interested in teaching, then go for B.Ed. And that's my point, guys. Can anyone can continue?
Yes, as quality of education should be improved, which can which can useful to our future generation. Can anyone continue this?
In my view, lack of skills and over populations in cause for unemployment.
The
Yeah,
thought
that's a
Can
valid
anyone
point.
continue?
Yeah, Manoj, you can start. You can tell your point what you are thinking about the unemployment.
Nowadays unemployment becomes severe, and pandemic situation it becomes more severe. As we know, agriculture is the backbone of India. So youngsters should come with idea in it may overcome unemployment.
Yeah, yeah, Manoj. We are saying that youngsters should involve in agriculture field as they're doing the agriculture. So yeah, Girish, yeah, I think you have to. You're going to say something.
And
Trying to say.
nowadays graduated peoples are hoping governments. I hope government didn't make them hopeless, and as the government should help them by making right policies, something favor to them. Government should encourage self-employment, that like entrepreneurship, so that the new new companies will be developed, and many one will be employed. That's what from my side.
Yeah, Girish, you're trying to say we have to approach the government help to
Yeah, with
start
our own
our startup
ideas.
companies or with our own ideas. Yeah, I can understand. Yeah, can anyone continue?
Yeah, Grish, government want to help wants to help us. Government can overcome unemployment by giving quality education throughout the country and controlling population. Government wants to encourage self-employment and entrepreneurship, and the retirement age should be reduced. I think these are the causes.
Yeah, yeah, that's good point. If I think Sarana said the valid point. If the retirement age should is reduced, the many of the youngsters can get placed. I think many all the old people are working in government jobs. So if
Yeah,
the retired age
yes.
is reduced, the youngsters will get knowledge. I think government also can make some policies that this job should be given to the young people so that they can they can innovate, they can do their innovate ideas to work welfare our nation. Yeah, guys, that everyone has said that many of them have said the main reason for unemployment is lacking of skills and lack of knowledge. I think that's the main cause, and government should also develop some new policies and amendments to for the favor of youngsters to get the job in government fields. So thank you for everyone to cooperating, sharing your thoughts, and I think everyone has gained knowledge by talking ourselves like this point. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
yes. Thank you, thank
Yeah,
you, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you,
guys.
guys. Thank you so much.